Hello viewers, this is Umaranu Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to explain prepositions of direction. Watch till the end of the video to get the concept better. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Prepositions of direction. There are a lot of words are used as prepositions of direction. Out of those, I have represented in this video to, towards, into, onto, from, off, up, down, at, for, against. Let's see the use of preposition to or towards. To preposition is used to show. To preposition is used in the sense of destination, and also it is used in the direction of. Whereas towards preposition is used to show in the direction of. We went to school. We went to school. Here to preposition is used to show the destination. If you need any help, you can come to me. Here to shows what? In the direction of. They are going towards the temple. They are going towards the temple. What it shows? In the direction of. The aircraft was flying towards Berlin. Towards shows in the direction of. In the direction of Berlin. Then preposition from, of. Preposition from shows departure, but preposition of shows OFF, double F. Preposition of shows separation. She has already gone from the office. It shows what? Departure. I have just received a letter from my father. From preposition shows departure. I have taken 2 mangoes from the basket. From shows departure. From something to another. That is a from preposition shows. But of preposition shows separation from one surface to downward. The king fell off his horse and died. Here of preposition shows what? From a surface. Separation from a surface. What is the surface here? Horseback is one surface. The separation of the king and the horseback. There we use of preposition. Separation from a surface to downward. There you use preposition of. But preposition from is used for the departure. From something to another. There you use preposition from. He fell off the bicycle. That means a separation of someone from the seat of the bicycle. There you use preposition of OFF. The ball rolled off the table. The same surface of table. This is the top of the table one surface. And the rolled off. Rolled off means the ball coming downward. There you use preposition of. Then up and down. Up preposition means what? That is from lower to higher. But down preposition is higher to lower. That is both the words are opposite to each other. Up, down. The cat is climbing up the tree. Up the tree, that means what you see here? Climbing up lower to higher. Walking up the steep slope is very tiring. Walking up the steep slope is up, lower to higher. It is difficult to control one's speed while going down a hill. Yes, down means higher to lower. When it is very difficult because the speed is so high there, from higher to lower. You see the picture here, so interesting. 2 children are rolling down because they could not control their speed. It is very difficult to control the speed from higher to lower. There you use preposition down. She fell down the stairs and twisted her ankle. From upward to down, there you use down preposition. Okay, she fell down the stairs. Then preposition at, for, against. At preposition shows what? At preposition is used in the idea of. In the idea of aiming at something or hitting something. There you use at preposition. He threw a stone at the dog. That means what? Hitting the dog or aiming at the dog. Here preposition at. Here. He is aiming his arrow at the bird. The same aiming at or hitting to something, there we use at preposition. We will leaving for Manali latest by tomorrow morning. Here preposition for is used with the verb which shows the beginning of the moment. That means for preposition is used with the verbs to show the beginning of the moment. We will leaving for Manali latest by tomorrow morning. The workers left for the factory. The same thing, for preposition is used with the verb left to show the beginning of the moment. Then preposition against. The waves struck against the shore. Against shows, preposition against shows pressure or contact. That means what? What contact comes here? The contact of wave to the shore. Both contact of waves to the shore, there you use preposition against. The waves struck against the shore. The boy is leaning against the pillow. That means contact of the boy to the pillow. There you use what? Against. He is standing leaning against the wall. That means what? The contact of him to the wall. There against preposition comes. Then preposition into, onto. Into shows interior, onto shows higher level, higher surface. The frog jumped into the pool. That means what it shows here? Interior to the pool. She put her hands into her pocket. You see here it shows the interior. But onto shows people climbed onto their roofs. That means what? Higher level, higher surface. There we use onto. He lifted her onto the table. That means lifted her higher level onto the higher surface. There you use onto preposition. That's it for this one. In the next video I will be explaining phrasal preposition. If you like my video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love my videos, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one. Till the end, so that you can and want welcome back to my channel with a new video.